A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Here it was clearly given that hemisphere of same radius. That means here toy is in the form of a cone. Toy is in the form of a cone and it is mounted on hemisphere. This hemisphere cone is mounted on hemisphere. See here, observe the question carefully. Observe it carefully. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on hemisphere. Hemisphere paina undanta cone. Hemisphere paina cone undi. Hemisphere paina cone undi. Chudandi. Cone mounted on hemisphere. Cone mounted on hemisphere. Hemisphere paina cone undi. Hemisphere paina cone undi. Now, let me draw the diagram first. Okay, now this is our cone and this is our hemisphere. Okay, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeter for both. Now, the total height of the toy is 15.5. That means the total height is 15.5. The total height is 15.5. Now, we have to find total surface area of the toy. Now, here you will be confused by the word total surface area. Here you will be confused by the word. ఈ word మిమ్మల్ని మోసం చేస్తుంది. Here find the total surface area of the toy doesn't mean that we have to find the total surface area of cone and total surface area of hemisphere. Sorry. అంటే total surface area of the toy అంటే TSA of cone plus TSA of hemisphere కాదు. ఓకే, ఎందుకు కాదు? Total surface of the toy means that toy toy is combination of two figures. One is cone and one is hemisphere. One is cone and one is hemisphere. Okay, now finding total surface area means the part of the total combined figure which we can touch. Total surface area or surface area means the area where we can touch the figure with our hand. Now see here. Here total surface area of the cone means CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So that is very important. Total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, clear? Now, what is curved surface area of the cone formula? It is pi r L, where L is the slant height, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now we know the r value, but we don't know L value. Now see here. Now observe the cone part very carefully. Now, since it is 3.5, we know that hemisphere radius is entire common through the entire sphere. Now even this will also be 3.5 because by the basic definition of radius, a radius is the line which is having the same length throughout the entire shape from the center. So ఇక్కడ 3.5 is equal to 3.5. Now total surface height, total toy height is 15.5. So to get a remaining height of the cone, you should subtract 15.5 minus 3.5. That will become 12. So this will be 12. This will be 3.5. 12, 3.5, and we have to find slant height L. Since it forms a right angle triangle, we can directly form a Pythagoras theorem. So it will be root of 12 square plus 3.5 square. See here, L is equal to root of r square plus h square. By using this formula also you can do So L is equal to root of R means 3.5 square plus 12 square. So L is equal to 12.25 plus 144. L is equal to 156.25. So L is equal to 156 or root of 15625 is nothing but 125 square or 12.5 centimeter is the answer. Okay, now so we have to substitute as it is in the respective formulas. See here, pi RL plus 2 pi R square. So if you take pi common and R common, because R is same for both, we are left with only L. L value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి 12.5 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకు మనం పై మాత్రం కామన్ చేసాం, ఆర్ స్క్వేర్లో ఒక ఆర్ కామన్ చేసాం, 2 ఉంటుంది ఇంకొక ఆర్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ విల్ బికమ్ 22/7 ఇంటూ ఆర్ ఎంత మనకి ఇచ్చింది 3.5 అంటే 7/2. 3.5 ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 7/2, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ కీప్ 3.5 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ మనకి 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5, so that will become 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 11s are, so 11 into 12.5 plus 7, 11 into 19.5, 11 times 19.5 అంటే ఎలా చేస్తాం మనం 195 plus 19.5, 0.5 14 11 1. So it will be 114.5 centimeter square. That's it. Okay, see, if you know the formulas, it will be very easy to find all the problems in this entire exercise or chapter. Okay, clearly when two figures are joined, even though he asked to find the total surface area, we have to add LSAs of individual shapes. That means total surface area of పెద్ద సాలిడ్ అడిగితే ఏదైతే మనకి 2-3 ఫిగర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి వచ్చే ఫిగర్ ఉంటుందో, 2-3 ఫిగర్స్, ఒక కోను ఒక హెమిస్పియరు, ఒక కోను ఒక సిలిండరు, ఒక హెమిస్పియర్ ఒక సిలిండరు, ఇలాగా 2-3 షేప్స్ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే వచ్చే ఫిగర్ ఒక టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా కనుక్కోమంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ lateral surface areas of individual shapes, then we can add them. Very clear చెప్తాను. క్వశ్చన్లో టీఎస్సీ ఆఫ్ హోల్ ఫిగర్ కనుక్కోమన్నా ఆ ఫిగర్ సింగిల్ ఫిగర్ అయితే మనం టీఎస్సీ ఫార్ములా వేసేయచ్చు. ఇఫ్ దట్ ఫిగర్ ఈస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ 2 అదర్ షేప్స్, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే మనము దీని ఎల్ఎస్ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి, దీని ఎల్ఎస్ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి, దెన్ వీ కెన్ యాడ్. ఓకే, క్లియర్? థ్యాంక్ యూ.